Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for April 4th to 16th. We continue to have trouble with the computer systems, and that's why I didn't do a forecast yesterday. Hopefully, things are okay now, but we're going to go on with the forecast now. A split flow across North America will track into the northern U.S. and send Pacific energy along the spine of the Rockies that would bring milder Pacific air across the south central Canada and the northern plains for April 4th to the 8th. The east will have a low pressure system that tracks from the Midwest to the northeast. The system will cause snow over the northern plains, and warmer vection ahead of the front will be suitable for Gulf moisture to the upper Mississippi Valley. Post-frontal precipitation along the spine of the Rockies and along the cold front from the south central states northeastward to the southeast. Now we're going to look at the period for April 7th to the 11th. And you can see here, this is the European deterministics. We have below normal heights here, above normal heights as we start to the period. But then as we go further into the period, here we are the 8th. We start getting an area below normal heights. You can see here that starts to progress eastward, more of a flatter flow with the GFS. And then now we go to the 9th. And then we go here. Now look at this. This is very deep. This is a very deep trough here. This is GFS with below normal heights here. And we have above normal heights here, a very deep ridge, over the western U.S. Deep trough here over the eastern U.S. This is a GFS. This is for the 10th. And then we go to the 11th. And we still have that configuration. And now we're going to look at the GFS deterministics. Not as quite as deep with the pattern. And then we go to the GFS ensembles. So the GFS is more pronounced with this flow. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, expect below normal precipitation from the Mississippi Valley to the Pacific Coast, and above normal precipitation for the East Coast states and surrounding states. So now we're going to look at the period for April 12th to 16th. We're going to go back to the models. Here's the GFS. Still has kind of like a broad trough here across the eastern U.S. We have a deep ridge over the western U.S. And then we go further in. This is the 14th. And the GFS is depicting a flatter flow with below normal heights here and here. Now the European deterministics is showing below normal heights over the east, above normal heights in the west, and then we go all the way out. And you can see we have our broad trough here in the east and our deep ridge here over the west. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation. The models have an indication of variable precipitation pattern across much of the nation, but the closest I can find is above normal heights across this region here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 4th to 16th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.